Alright guys, so in this short training I want to explain to you how you can be able to create your ebook. Like I'll be taking you through the whole 6 steps involved in selling your ebook, starting from creating your ebook and to start making money, that is to start getting sales. So by the end of this short video, I don't think we will spend more than 10 to 15 minutes in this video. You'll be able to learn how you can be able to create your own ebook, and then the things involved, then you start making sales in just 6 steps. Okay, the very first thing you need if you are planning to create your ebook is to do your research. Okay, do your research. That is the very first thing you need to do, and a lot of people miss this step. And once you miss this step, it's like you have missed almost everything. Okay, you need to do your research, because it is during this research you'll be able to discover what people want, what are their problems, and how you can be able to help them solve those problems, right? So where are the areas where you can do your research? The first place you can do your research is on YouTube. You can do your research on YouTube. Another place that you can do your research is also on Google. Do your research on Google. And another place that you can do your research, let's say social media. You know, when I say social media, I mean Facebook, Instagram, and some other social media that you are active in. Okay, so to do your research on YouTube and on Google is almost the same thing. Okay, so to do your research on YouTube, just go to your YouTube, and the normal way we search for something, like if you want to search for something on YouTube, and this is what you need to do. When you go to YouTube, just type how to and give space. What YouTube will do is that they're going to give you different how to people are looking for. Maybe how to cook jollof rice, how to remove pimple, how to make money, how to get rid of depression, how to get rid of bad breath, and every other thing. Just type how to. You can type how to, you add A, how to B, how to C. You're going to see different things that people are looking for. Okay, so let's assume that you're going to write on how to remove, how to overcome diabetes. You can type how to overcome diabetes, and you're going to watch about 5 or 10 videos. By the time you watch 5 or 10 videos, you'll be able to gain some knowledge about what is diabetes and how to overcome it. Then you can start creating your ebook. You can also do the same thing on Google. When you go to Google, you search for something, you read different blog posts. After that, you can also do your research on social media like Facebook. This is how to do it on Facebook. When you go to Facebook, you see people. I think I prefer, but I like doing research on Facebook, because on Facebook, doing research on Facebook and the other social media is like you are the people who need this problem. People who have this problem, like that's why I draw people here. People in this group are telling you their problem. Okay, so because I was on Facebook group one day, a lady asked, how do I lose weight as a pregnant woman? Another one asked, how do I lose weight as a breastfeeding woman, and some other things. So people are asking you, people are telling you what they need. Your job now is to do research. Okay, how can someone lose weight as pregnant woman, and start selling it to them. You're going to get to that stage. So after that, your research, don't forget, you have to do research. That is the step 1, and you discover what people need. So after your research, you can start creating your ebook, which is the second stage. Creating your ebook, like you know, is very simple, but you must do your research. Creating your ebook, you can use this application called Google Docs. There are some other applications. I don't want to confuse you. There are different applications you can use to create your ebook, but the one I use is Google Docs. Okay, Google Docs. DOCX. Okay, there's another one, DOCX, but I use DOCX. So Google Docs and Google Drive, that's the 2 apps I am using, Google Docs and Google Drive. Okay, so you can create your ebook. To do it is very simple. Just download the app, open it, and use it and create your ebook. Then after creating your ebook, like after typing and convert it to PDF, the next thing to do is to design your ebook cover. Yeah, to design your ebook cover. That is stage 3 and also the step 3. You design your ebook cover, and I do tell people is that one thing I do tell people is that you need to design a professional ebook cover. Because when you are selling online, what people see is the product cover. That is the cover of your book and not what is inside it. It is when they pay you money, they will get what is inside the book. So if the product cover is rubbish, is not good, people are going to believe that information in that book is not good. So if you want to design your ebook cover, if you don't know how to do that, you can pay someone to help you out. But to design your ebook cover is very simple. Once you have this application called Canva, you can use Canva to design your ebook cover, and then you are good to go. And then after designing, like if you go to Canva, you use Canva to design your flyer. After you design your flyer, what you need to do is go to Google and search for ebook cover creator. So you're going to see a different site where you can use any of them and make your flyer to look like ebook. So it's very, very simple to do. Then after that, the stage 4 is lead magnet. Very, very important. Lead magnet. This stage is very, very important. Now, a lot of people believe that lead magnet, okay, let me even say a little. Okay, lead magnet is something you give people in exchange of their contact. It could be their number, it could be their email address, but lead magnet is something you give people for them to give you their contacts. Okay, it can be free ebook, it can be free video, it can be free training. Okay, so I prefer free training. That doesn't mean that you can't use free ebook. Free ebook work, free videos work, but I'm talking about the one I prefer. I prefer teaching on free group than sell my ebook. That is the method I prefer to use because I'm marketing on WhatsApp. Okay, if you are marketing via email, you can give free ebook or some other things like that. Okay, so but the lead magnet is very, very important. The reason why you need to give people lead magnet is that when people are on social media, they are not here to buy. They come over to social media to set, to chat, and once you give this lead magnet, you'll be able to drag them, okay, drag them to your WhatsApp. This is what I mean. When you run adverts, your adverts will show to people in this group. Here is where your ad will show. When you run adverts, here is like social media, it's like Google, it's like any other place that you want to run your advert. And when you run your advert, different people will see your advert. So maybe 3 people, let's say just 3 people who have interest in what you are selling will now come and give you their contacts. Okay, when you run adverts, these people over here, like different group of people will see your advert, and it's not everybody in this group will have interest in what you are selling. Okay, let's say that these 3 people have interest in what you are selling and they give you their contacts. Then out of these 3 people that have interest in what you are selling, note it can be more than 3 people. I just use this as an example. It could be just one person will purchase the very first day they get your lead magnet. That doesn't mean that these 2 people will not purchase. Maybe they don't have money now. They can later purchase. That is why you need to give them lead magnet and let them have your contact saved, and you save their contact and they become your leads, so that you'll be able to market to them some other time. Now, if you don't use lead magnet, if you don't give us something for free and you run your advert, people in this group will see your advert, right? But it could be just out of these people, it could be just one person will buy, and once one person buy, other people you have missed them. For you to get them again, you still need to run another advert. But once you run advert and one person purchase, other people don't purchase, you can still remarket to them. Okay, so this lead magnet is very, very important, and this lead magnet also help people to build trust. Remember, people buy from who they know, who they like, and who they trust. If what you give people as lead magnets didn't help them solve problem or didn't make sense to them, they will not buy from you. I see a lot of people saying, I want to learn how to sell, but selling relies here. Like, selling starts from this lead magnet. If what you give people is not reasonable, they will never buy. That is the simple truth about selling. Okay, now these are 4 steps. These are 6 steps. This first step, second step, and third step are like the creating aspect of your work. You are doing your research, you are creating your ebook cover. But from this step 4 to step 6, you have already started selling. Because a lot of people are saying, I want to learn how to sell, without knowing that selling starts from this lead magnet. If you mess up in this lead magnet, you will mess up in this step 6. I hope you get the point. So once you give people lead magnet that helps them solve problem, remember, very important, lead magnet that is valuable to them. Then another thing that will determine if you make sale is traffic. Okay, traffic in internet marketing is like, you being able to reach out to people and like send traffic. When I say send traffic to your website, what I mean is run advert to people here, like run advert to group of people and let them and redirect them to your website. So in your own case, it could be run advert to people here and redirect them to your WhatsApp. It could be redirected them to your social media handle or whatever. So traffic is like you running adverts and people see your advert and you redirect them to where you want. Okay. Now, a lot of people have been complaining of not making sales, but the thing is that someone who is sending 100 people and someone who is sending 1,000 people and someone who is sending 10,000 people to his or her WhatsApp contact or website every day, like the amount of money someone that is sending 100 people every day will be different from someone that is sending 1,000 people and someone that is sending 10,000 people. So if let us say you're sending 100 people, you could be making less than 10K, and someone sending 1,000 people per day could be making 100K, and someone sending 10,000 could be making maybe 500K or something like that. Okay, so that is how it works. If you are now sending 10 people, if you are marketing to just 10 people, every day, this is where the problem comes from. You can't be marketing to just 10 people and you're expecting to be making 100K per month. It doesn't make sense. Okay, so your job as a marketer is to make sure you are sending traffic to whatever you are selling. Okay, let's say that this is your ebook. This is your ebook. I don't know how to draw. This assumes that this is the book you are selling. This assumes that this is the book you are selling. So you have to be sending people consistently to see this book. It's not just sending the same people, but different people, new people every day. That is the only way to make sales. So if you get this lead magnet right and get this traffic right, this place will be very, very easy for you. That is, start selling. Once you give people something they like, something help them to solve problems, and different people are getting the lead magnet, and from the lead magnet they will come over to this stage, which is selling. They will buy what you are selling. That is very simple. I hope you get the point. After creating your lead magnets and the quality of people you are sending, not just about the quantity, because a lot of people are, you go to WhatsApp, you copy people's number, you start sending them broadcast message. This is you are sending message to quantity of people instead of quality. Okay, they are not interested. They don't have interest in what you are selling. So the quality of people that you are sending to your ebook will determine if you will make sales. I hope it makes sense to you. All right. So if you want me to help you to implement all this, like give you the step by step, give you a full training, a video on how you can be able to get these 6 things done in the right way, all you need to do is register for my 7 days ebook cash out training. Now in the 7 days ebook cash out training, I'll be showing you the practical step by step how we can get all these things done. Now the 7 days ebook cash out training is my 7 days training where I'm going to show you the exact step my student and I are using in making over 100K monthly by selling ebook. On the first day of the 7 days ebook cash out training, that is on day 1, you'll be learning how to do your research and know the type of ebook you need to create, the type of ebook that people will buy. I will give you a practical video on that. Then on the second day, I will also give you another video that will show you how you can create your ebook in just few days, maybe 2 days or a day if you are serious. And on the third day, you will also get another video that shows you how to design your own ebook cover. All this is video training, and you will see me, you will see what I'm doing, and you can do it. Okay, now on this day 4, very, very important, I will explain to you how to give lead magnet that solve problem. It's not just lead magnet, but a lead magnet that solve problem for people. Okay, a lead magnet that will make people desire what you are selling. This is where many people fail. I have said it before. if you want to get A1 in selling, your lead magnet and your traffic must be like must be number one thing you must focus. Okay, so I will show you how to get a lead magnet that solve problem for people, that will make them to buy. Then on day 5, you'll be learning how to send traffic. We will start by sending free traffic without running adverts. So that is my method. I will first of all teach you how you can be able to start getting people that will buy what you are selling without spending money, so that you will use the little money you make from free traffic and you start running advert, and that is when you start making 100k plus monthly. Okay, I'm not one of those that will tell you sweet things for you to believe me. Before you start making 100k monthly by selling ebook, you need to spend money on advert. But I will first of all show you how you can, start making money with free traffic. Then when you make little money, you can start running advert. Yeah, like I told you, once you get this stage and this stage very well, start selling. Like, selling will be very easy for you. So on the day 6, I will also be giving you another video that shows you how the steps involved in selling, giving you how to sell with SVS selling secret. I know that many of you don't know the meaning of SVS. Okay, so you are going to learn how to use SVS to sell more copies of your ebook. And on day 7, of course, it is a 7 days training. On day 7, I will be giving you the bonuses. There are about 5 bonuses that are different bonuses, how to run Facebook adverts, and many of them that will help you get result fast. And to register for this training, all you need is just chat me up. This is my WhatsApp number, 09130194273. Okay, just chat me up on this number and tell me that you want to register, and I will tell you the price. It's not free training, and you register. Remember, the earlier the better. Thank you for watching, and I know you get some value from this video. And if that is the case, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and also like this video.